Hello and welcome to ENIE'S Creations. So today I am presenting to you a SARAVANABHAVAN style white vegetable kurma that goes well with idiyappam or even white hoppers. So for this we need 1.5 cups of assorted vegetables. You can use any vegetables of your choice. So I've taken some carrots, cauliflower, green peas and 1 potato. First we'll start by preparing the coconut paste. We'll need 1 cup of grated coconut and into that 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds or som jeera. Next we'll need a 1/4 inch piece of cinnamon stick, 1 cardamom, 1 clove and 1 small piece of star anise or takkolam in Malayalam. Now grind all this into a fine paste. Next, soak some almonds or cashews, whichever you like, and grind that into a fine paste. Now we'll start with the kurma gravy. Into a pan, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then add 1 piece of cinnamon, 2 cloves, 1 cardamom, 1 star anise, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. We'll saute this till the spices give out a good fragrance. Then add 1 cup of sliced onions. We'll saute this till the onions turn tender or transparent. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry this till the raw smell of the paste goes away. After this we'll add in the chopped vegetables. So toss the vegetables up with the spices for a minute. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 2 cups of water and cook the vegetables till they are nice and soft. You can also cook the vegetables in a pressure cooker for 1 or 2 whistles. The vegetables have boiled well. Now add in the coconut paste. After this, add in the cashew paste or the almond paste. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. You can add green chilies to the coconut paste for spiciness, but I didn't have green chilies, so I'm using pepper powder instead. A few curry leaves. Now put the lid back on and cook this for another 5 minutes. And this is how we make SARAVANABHAVAN style white vegetable kurma at home. Thanks for watching guys, enjoy.